You are my life, you're my sunshine. Othi ngibakhiphe futhi laba abangibuzayo, othi ngibablock. Ayikho lento. Yes, at this point I'm just gonna block them. I'm gonna block them. Thank you guys for advising me. Yeah. If ever ungibuza nonsense ngiyakublock. Sengirelaxe kakhulu angisablockani ne. Angisayenzi hobby yami. Wangisuke wangibuza into engayazi ngiyakublock. Ngiblocker manje ke ngiyanqeni ke futhi anqeni. Ungazi just ngiyanqena ave nginganqeni ukublockana shem. Ave nginganqeni. Exactly. No, ngeke nisafela yena because now I have a solution of if people keep on like mentioning his name, I block them. You call me on a lazy afternoon. Asking me what I'm up to. Let's find something to do. Da, 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 da. Athi ekethini ngisengibatshelile ngathi ngibafonelile before ngilale because ngiyaye ngabo 6 mengicabanga. Ngithi kubona malume ngiyacela bandle ukuthi umfako anti mefika lapho 303 abakunikazanga inkinga ne? Okay. Yes, mengizazi ukuthi ngiyazama mengizazi ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ngilale ngidakiwe ngenza sure because wey kunini ngigila. Kunini ngigila. Yo kunini ngigila ngikhathele manje. Hayi ngikhathele ukugila manje ngeke. Yes, before ngilale ngiyabatsho ukuthi even if kuthiwa kuzoshintsha shift ekuseni ababhale kwama notes. Hayi bandla. Hayi. Too broken to be healed. What do you mean, honey? What do you mean? I think I got a little crush on you. I hope it's not too much. All these little girls. Yeah, this is what I want. Now experiment here, guys. Block. Reports. I don't just block you. I report you also. I'm that girl. Finally ordered sponge, madam. What surgery do you want to do? Just liposuction. I would do the same for you. So tell me if you see it too. shut up. Ngiyadawa mina angidakiwe manje like I get sloshed for days. And I'm here to be ngoma kade ngiyithanda kade ngiyibona lana ayibona imanzi ite safe izinqoza ayonder ayonder. Why are you not naked? Ayibo wena Slima senja.
Yeah. Styling no. Listen, but got pictures with me smiling no. All the things you need, you still want problems though. All the things I know, I still been silent though.
What's your take on lipo injections? I don't think they work. I don't know. I just don't think they work. Angazi mhlambe inkinga mina futhi I'm impatient. Mhlambe adinga abantu patient. Like I'm impatient. Like if I want something, I want it to happen now. Like pakisa kuyaphuthuma. Like as ayibonge.
Yeah. Used to be in Silver City, Indigo. Used to be in Lunchroom playing dominoes. I don't wanna have to go if you.
Actually, now that I'm gonna do my body, and I don't know who's gonna take care of me because I need someone to take care of me after surgery. Like I can't be doing certain stuff. Like I can't be. Sometimes it's too painful to even do certain stuff. I don't even know who's gonna take care of me. Oh my god, Boris, I'm so sorry, Chomio. I'm so sorry. Ngiyazi ukuthi udiniwe la ukhona and. Yo, Boriski baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Chomi. Like, I'm gonna show you how sorry I am. I'm gonna explain and then I'm gonna show you how sorry I am. I'm going through it, bitch. Like, not like ngiyagowa, but ngingena ukusukuma ngizilungise. Ngiyenze makeup. Ngiyenze ini. Block. Remove. Block umuntu wrong ke. Oh no. It's okay. We good. If I ever blocked you by mistake, please DM me on my business page and tell me that Cindy, you blocked me by mistake. Sometimes I won't even check the business page. Hey, don't try. Yeah, girl. Also, when I need the next live or something, or on your Instagram, if ever this one gets taken down again. I don't gym, but now listen to me, guys. I'm cooking, okay? So all I want to do is do lipo. Like I gained weight. I didn't gain weight so much like that, but my thighs, obviously, I don't mind my thighs and my ass and my hips. I don't mind those. But ebona umjolo like there's khona le weight le oyithola ngenkathi ujolo iyona le ngifuna ukuyikhipha isale emuva back like umgogodla. Please, I want to leave it there. Ngathi ngingacela uDr. Petty yabona le ini is it anesthesia. Yeah, I want that. I wish ngathi ngingalala 3 days. Ngilala 3 days. Yo, ngivuse ngithi ngikuphi lana? Wabani laba? I can't wait. Angisabawe, like I really love it. That injection is actually, that drip is actually very, very addictive. Like it's very addictive.
Maybe it never gets old, and that's just how it goes. Last table left in carbone, calling plays on the rotary phone. I take a glass of Domi now to go with me home. Might move, I ain't.
Ngathi ngamcela ubabes ngithi hello. Oh, Lalisa, I put 3 days. Just 3 days. I'm not fighting you, madam. Please don't fight me. I'm not fighting you. I just want to sleep 3 days. 3 full days. Yo. Ngabamnandi, guys. Imagine if you could do that. Like, I wish you could say there was a doctor that actually, like, it was again and then be like, hey, I want to sleep 3 days. Please put me on a drip or whatever the case may be. I want to sleep 3 days. I'd pay for it. I'd pay for it. I would pay for it, and then I never check my socials for 3 days. Like, that's therapy, guys. That's therapy. Don't get me wrong. I'm not suicidal whatsoever, but that's therapy.
Shit to the dome. I need 40,000 people to see what I'm on. Yeah. Dumped a lot of spiteful moves. I was an angry youth while I was writing views. Saw a side of myself that I just never knew. I'm probably self-destructive if I ever lose, but I never do. Steady doing double shifts. Want to do the beat.
Thank you.
Like a double shift.
Ngiyapo surgery bakithi ngabe uyajima if uyafuna. Love it. Phela sekushayela izandla Teddy. Congrats. Exactly.
When we catching up, we just laugh about it. Can't describe what my life is like when she asks about it. It's scary whenever I close my eyes.
I gained weight.
Waking up in public statements about my private life. I can never sleep till morning on all my quiet nights. But you can rest assured that my mind is right. Get no sick days. I leave for like 3 months and 6 days.
My pajamas are see-through. I can't. I'm not wearing any panties.
Texting my inboxes have been popping. Seasons go by like I'm binge watching.
Nah. Zobe ngilibambe mase ngiqedile la.
Went from club to Lotto in the bridge to club live. They're not even showing up at a club as we doing biz. I can't even party while a nigga.
Inkinga yabi leyo vele abaqeni futhi.
Especially people that want to lecture me and frame it like they just want the best for me.
Asame siwasha imoto.
Whatever splits it up so there's more for them and there's less.
Ela ninginikeza ugqozi nofuqofuqo ukuthi ngiyowasha imoto yami Nkosi yami ngiyanicela. Please be with me because my car wash is just here, like just a minute, 2-3 minutes away, 5 minutes at most. Ngabe ngiyowasha imoto kahle kahle. It's not nice, like ingcolile. Or but now again, like I can't wash my car now because I have indlela emele ngiye kuyona and it's a long distance and izohamba ishayisa ama bugs on the way. Ngizoyiwasha, excuse me, ngizoyiwasha phambili. Asambe kudala ngihlezi, now I'm tipsy much. Guys, I'm thinking of selling my old wigs actually. Like I'm thinking of doing that. Like angisawathanda amanye, and not ukuthi ngisawathandi but asemaningi. And mina as I said, I am one human being that's very territorial, and ngithanda lokho and ngizothanda kona until ngingasakuthandi. So the wigs that I had like the past years, I'm tired of them. I want to sell them. Do you think it's a good idea or it's a bad idea? But I've done it before. I've sold my old wigs. Maybe I should try it again. Maybe I should.
For me, they don't know they gotta be faster than me to get to me. No one's done it successfully. 7 a.m. in Germany, can't believe that.
Oh, yakotola. Defrost. Guys, it's not that I standing. Oh my god, it's not that I stand. Like it's so fucking cold again. Like masengaphandle osebafanele kufudumele. Oh my god. Kufudumele bafanele. Ukotola njani uphuzi? This needs to be studied, hey? Honestly speaking, like it needs to be studied. Oh, these lashes. Now the filter and the massive yellow, Jared. What? Keep it for no silence. Lalela, esikhulume ngamalash. Esikhulume ngalamalash, like, oh my god, like, honey. Oof. Stay away from me. I take them on my story. That's the thing. Like, you guys don't check me out. Like, what's wrong? Do you hate me or what? Do you hate me? No, hey guys, I'm doing. I don't want.
Where deals are hotter than a Durban curry. And
no, thank you, my sister. Thank you very much. It was nice doing business. This is one filter that is not nice. Elangeni, like it's so boring. But where is? Yeah, it's time to vlog. Let me go sit down. I want you to give yourself up on the front seat. We go up for an hour, then we go move to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance. Nah, but where is?
I gotta run in the photo too. Drinking designer no pull up. I was in the brief at the pop. Bought in the cars of Coco. I gotta drape you up. She got baby just niggas with us. I keep a bed for her. She know that she coming to court. Had to throw that ass to the port. Gotta fix that ass to the north.
Yeah.
She was lean. She wanted Gucci. I got some honest on me. I got a Gucci.
Nah, but what is? Love it. I want your body. We go up for an hour, then we're gonna move to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance.
They relax me. You ain't gotta ask me. She was Celine. I'm a Celine king. Eat the pussy with my girl on, but it don't my blame blame. I got up.
Nah, but where is?
Yo, beer white chicks, first and foremost.
Beer.
Yeah. And yo, the night of the after party, lit. 7 cars deep. Listen to me. You tell man if something was a ting or not. First and foremost, like, yo, no, you're playing strap. You playing strap. You go to blow.
Sengiyakhumbula umculo wa Tory manje mele aphume ejele yo. Inini due dates ngampela at this point. Like, honey, inini due dates is vele sidlule kuyona straight. Amadeus, what you talking about? Get what? Yes, sirs. Tingma register. Present. Pregnant. Upstairs. Pregnant. Upstairs. Yeah. Everyone is here. Thank you. Sit down. To do less for you. Some of me on the ride. I always wanted to. I want to show you something. ngiyadlala. Utori La was still so broke. Like, he looks broke. Okay, maybe he wasn't broke, but he looks dry. Like, block this one, Young Blood. Who's Young Blood? Between her thighs. Hey, Nina, just rape online, man. You fucking. That's why we choose the bag. The bag. You love when I'm dying. I'm here for the playlist, Sana. I need to have like a new playlist for Emotweni. See, I bought a playlist. Tell me, Emotweni, yo. Woo! My nipple. No one is about to see my nipples. No. Yeah. Smoothie couch. Yeah, actually. Take a time to find you. I won't hesitate to take a time and wear some baby. Come on in a ride. Always wanted to. Fuck it gown, man. Uli ratu tiyang fuck it gown kaya banda la endlini. Kahle funa ngaba ngikho la endlini because ila endlini la kubanda khona outside akubanda. Kahle ila endlini la kubanda khona outside akubanda. I swear. Akubandi tonya endlini kwatonya kuyatonya. Yeah. Guys, I'm giving away this teddy bear. All I'm trying to say is I just want to see your body move in different ways. Come close to you. You really come close. So close to you. Feelings. Don't forget to connect me, got you. Show me your daughter. I can give her the, but ish, I'm at uzongcolisa uzowasha kanjani lo mhlobo. You are the love of my life. Bengicabanga ukuthi nguhambise nalezi ingane izongcolisa nazo. Bengifuna ukubanikeza some stuff la kade khala khona ingane.
It's a safe space, baby. You bringing me peace. You know how I get in the streets. Ain't none of the showers deep.
You know you my baby. You know you my sweet. Na 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 na
break one the power of all these motherfuckers. But they need me to ring for many modes. For these rappers, for these labels, for these bitches, They kill my nigga and I pray for revenge.
Okay, I'm giving away this teddy bear, honestly speaking, though. Like, it's so big. Like, it's so big. Let me show you. Well, it looks tiny on the video, but this is my head, and this is it. It's so big. I don't like it anymore.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm a man. But I'm down all like last week. Tell me where have you been? You're a darling girl. Don't act like I'm a man. I'm just a fan. You don't break.
Andy, it's not big enough for my place. This mat.
Okay, man.
Yeah, I'm something.
What's something?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ngizothenga omunye.
must tell that one.
Yeah, ngisho ukuthi ungawuthatha.
Okay, ngiyabonga.
Okay.
But no, I'm down. It's only son. Sugar like your only son. Put you on a body like a button. Break that traffic. Time to cross. We'll get ready, get a punch. Bitches on my dick, let me stop. Everywhere I go, they got they got shit rubbing.
Nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's how peace. Gotta drop into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she see my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic when I get average. Bad bitch, and she Spanish. I fire it, got a pencil. We get nasty, I'm her daddy. She know a nigga ain't average. I'm not feeling with fake acid. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking on her, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't starting it. Fuck that we ain't buying it. King of this track, can't come here without a permit. This shit really ain't talking. The realest I can define it.
She money all around me. I look like I'm a man.
Lalela, le ngoma le ngizoyidlala ngiyithanda inhliziyo yami. Oh yeah.
Turn everything up. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh
Turn everything
yeah.
up a little more.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do more than I can?
Oh, there we go. These are my people. I love you guys. Come, shower me, I beg. Shower me now. Have all the time. I have all the time, baby. Report. Yours. All the time. Woo! Don't do that, bitch. Okay. I have all the time, Nana. Come. Yes, if only I'm really very ill, man.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can
I have all the time. Oh my God. Sikhathele, siyabonga. Siyabonga, bandla, brother, sister.
things will get canceled.
Oh.
Commitment, going the distance. I knew that all of this. It takes some finesse. I
My skin is not skinning. This is just, I know I don't have like dark spots. I just have dry skin. Oh, Lado, Mizulu. Yeah, it be like that. Like, no, it's nothing serious. Like, it's just, I want my baby to have your eyes. It takes something I see. I could never jump this song because this is my jam. This is my jam. I want my baby to have your eyes. What position do we enter to win Teddy? Okay, wait. Let me think about it. Because I really don't want this Teddy like anymore. I really want to give it away. Not this song, guys. This is not my jam. I'm so sorry. Can you imagine my jam? I'm pregnant. Jokes?
Yeah.
Jokes?
Let me take y'all back there.
Nah, but what's the say it again? It wasn't nothing like that.
Man,
It wasn't nothing like that first time. She was in my man class.
long hair, brown skin with a fat ass. Sat beside me, used to laugh at man. Jokes. The teacher always got mad, so we passed notes.
It started off so innocent,
She had a vibe.
and the nigga started digging it.
I was a young and straight crushing, trying to play this shit cool. But a nigga couldn't wait to get to school. Cause when I seen them thighs on it, and them hips on it, and them lips on it, got me daydreaming, man, what? I'm thinking how she rides on it, if she sits on it, if she gets on it, make it hard for me to stand up. As time goes by, the tracks is getting deeper. Wet dreaming, thinking that I'm smashing, but I'm sleeping. I'm on the bed.
Body shaped like ice.
She wanna know this, that you ever had sex before? Yeah.
And I never did this before, no. And I never did this before, no. And I never did this before, no. I never did this before, no. And I never did this before, no. I never did this before, no. And I never did this before, no. And I never did
I'm
this
so back and
before.
said, of course I had sex before.
Knowing I was frontin',
I said, I'm like a pro, baby.
knowing I was stunting.
But if I told the truth, I knew that I get played out, son. Hadn't been in pussy since the
Day I came out.
But she don't know that, so she don't go back and told me, oh, you a pro, homie.
Well, I want you to show me when I'm gone for a weekend.
So Saturday, baby, we can get the freak, yeah.
Exactly. How is ice shaped? This person is dumb. Like, he's like body shaped like an ice. How is ice shaped? There's a person who said that. They're like body shaped like an ice. They're like body shaped like an ice. What do you mean? Like, how is ice shaped? So I don't have a shape. Don't make me mad. Don't make me mad.
Sound like a flame, still trying to play cool, sound like a man. But I was scared of death, my nigga, my stomach turned. Talking shit, knowing damn well I was the first.
Yeah, cause I never did this before, no. And 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 I never did this before, no.
I ain't never did this before, no.
Umokel was not lying about being live the whole day. I told you it was.
You finna blow for the first time. I'm hoping that she won't know.
Konoti, I used to guys is shaped like a square. Am I shaped like a square? Oh my god. You guys hate me. Sometimes eyes don't even have a shape. Nina, you just have the you just have the impression that it's supposed to be. Yeah, guys, troll me all you want, okay? I don't give a fuck.
This is my first time. I'm hoping that my shit is big enough to fuck with. And most of all, I'm praying God to let me
bust quick. I'm watching pornos trying to see just how to stroke right. Practice putting condoms on. Now we go right. I'm in the crib now, nigga, palm sweating. With a pocket full of brothers in an erection. That's when my hands start
I'm top.
and then she get my pants up, fucker, and her hands start rubbing on me. Ooh,
Girl, don't stop.
It's time for action. Pull out the condoms real smooth, yeah, that's how I practice. But right before I put it in, she flinched and grabbed it and said, I wanna get something off my mental. I can tell you a pro, but baby, be gentle, cause I ain't never did this before, no. And I ain't never did this before, no. And I ain't never did this before, no. And I ain't never did this before, no.
And I never did this before, no. I never did this before, no. And I never did this before, no.
And I never did this before, no.
Queen. Kanti benza njani labantu labo, why they taking so much time? Kanti how ukudla kuthatha isikhathi eside kanje. Wednesday, it's not even Wednesday, I'm gonna understand kube bayenze ama-working Wednesdays, but
Ever wondered what goes into a bottle of Benylin? Well, there's so much more than
take a shot.
I can see it in your eye.
Sayokama. Bukan la, can entertain. Bukan la. The way you talk to me, 'cause I'm waiting,
And you're angry, regret got you on what you're feeling now. Mad 'cause you ain't like me. Oh, you mad 'cause nobody ever did it like me. All the care I would take, all the love that we made. Now you're trying to find somebody to replace what I gave to you. It's a shame you didn't keep it. Alicia, Natia, I know that you gon' get it. I'm the man, yeah, I said it. I'm the man, don't you forget it. The way you walk, that's me. The way you talk, that's me. The way you got your hair on, did you forget that's me? And the voice in your speaker right now, that's me, that's me. And the voice in your ear, that's me. Can't you see that I made it? Yeah, I made it. First I made you wrong, and then I made it. And you're wasted with your ladies. Yeah, I'm the reason why you always get faded. Take a shot from me. Oh, take a shot from me.
Nikhuluma ngani la? Nenzani lapha eGoli? I love those comments. I love it when people are like, nenzani lapha eGoli?
this. Girl, I can't lie, I miss you. You and the music were the only things
Yeah.
that I'm into. I never cheated for the record back when I was with you. But you believed in everything with me, girl, I don't get you. She says, I know you changed. I never see you cause you're always busy doing things. I really wish she had a different way of viewing things.
We gotta move this product on all.
Take a shot for me. Sengikhathele mina ngiyaporeka ke ngiyaporeka. Umuntu sekathole i-soulmate kuma comments unamanga. Nenzani lapha eGoli? Unamanga wena. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Like, I don't want to lie. Like, my comments, minus the trolls, this is nice. Almighty, I met someone new last night and we kicking and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind. It's igate sila yabo baze bathatha isikhathi kodwa yeke angifuni ukugasha sebefikile yabo napho yebo nakho kwase kuvela mina manje fikile base kuvela mina manje. Thank you to everyone who's been reminding me of the food also because kade ngikhohlwa. Thank you. Kade ngikhohlwa. Every time ngifuna ama comments kuthiwa ukudla uthiwa odwa ukudla Funda lami liyazula azula. Azula. This shit feels like teenage fever. I know I'm not telling you anything. Oh, I think but you know what's on my mind. I know I'm gonna get too drunk and then I'm gonna sleep and then I'm gonna wake up. Okay, ngizogeza after masicedile and Caesar around. Ngiyogeza, ngikhoda ukugeza. Ngiyaqhubeka ngiyaphuza ngiyakuzulzi. No. Coming. Honey, I'm hurting. Hi. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh my god, I bought amafreza mangaka. Kanti amafreza mangaka kanti. Extra large, ubani extra large no extra wathi lona mkhulu kakhulu. Ngizowazayo. I shouldn't have done this. No, I didn't know. What's manga? I thought like, oh my god, it's a whole box. Like, oh my god. Oh my. It's supposed to sing. Oh my. Oh my. Nje hapo kama kuta hambe now. Auntie, takuwe. Okay, no problem. Alright. This is my shit. Buat manganan. I've never. And the bang fagilang na naman sauce these fuckers. It's just fries.
Just might be a hoe.
It's just fries. Kabang.
Just might be a hoe.
Ain't correct. Saphuza mina. Ngifuna ukudla angifakelanga nesosi banenhliziyo embi besitiya.
From a sugar daddy or drug dealer. Meet me at the club, one hit it. Thinking that love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. No more.
Oh, but see, love is a losing game. Oh, I just might be a hoe. Yeah. Shawty been stripping for so long. What man? Remove yazi ngoba ushonga igama remove nje just without her fucking anybody. I don't know anybody. Don't work her fine. I'm having fries. What? Auntie's having a whole meal. Mina bengikhalile ama fries. But see, after parties, I signed up and I call you Bonnie. How about you fuck love? I mean, what's love? Baby, what's love? Love is a losing game.
Cadbury memories live forever. See more at Cadbury.co.za.
I feel the spark between us. No. You feel like I feel yourself. What? I feel the spark between us. Thank you. It was nice doing business. No groove tonight. No, just soft groove. Like I will have the most time. I will play like the latest songs and I'll play them and I'll have fun and everything. It just and are we tell it just yeah I can't imagine. The woman that I would try is happy with the good guy. Fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga. Staying alone is a difficult task. It's not. Are you drunk right now? I'm just saying that we should do better. Dun, 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 dun. Can you guys hear me? What's going on? Can you hear me? Konuti, volume please. Oh, on the song. Oh. Woo. Is it phone yam?
All my people been here. I see all of our friends here.
I'm getting a little bit tipsy. I'm I'm getting a little bit teasy.
I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say,
Fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that
nigga that
you found.
and since you picked up,
I know he's not around. Are you drunk right now? I'm just saying that you could do better.
tell me have you
Heard that lately. I'm just saying that you could do. I'm just a little bit teasy. I'm a little bit teasy. We do a party, yeah, we threw a party. We threw a party.
talk to me, please, don't have much to believe in.
I need you right now.
You down to listen
For
to
me,
I got some women that's living
of me.
pay for their flights and hotels, I'm ashamed. Better let you know them, I won't say no names. After all, my girl, they all seem the same. I've had sex 4 times this week, I'll explain. Having a long time and just entertain. Spreading that mixed up. I've been talking crazy, girl. Lucky that you picked up. Lucky that you stayed on. I need someone to put this weight on.
Are you drunk right now? I'm just saying that you could do better. Ay, ay, ay. I was
Tell me how you heard.
there lately. I'm just saying that you could do. Oh, nice. You came here with the bold personality. Now you're getting blocked just for vibes. Fucking asshole.
Just thought while I hold your hurt back. My white friend said you niggas crazy. I hope no one heard that.
Ish, I hope no one heard that.
Cause if we get we gon' be in some trouble.
I never know the lyrics of any song. I sing what I hear. What I don't hear, I say whatever I want to say. But at least I'm on the line, like I'm on the rhythm, like I will know what to say. Don't judge me. Are you judging me? Guys, I'm
When you get the right endless.
because all his old songs, not the new
I know,
songs.
but guys, it's about your money. Yeah. Stick up the
He's not
paper, you
funny.
fool.
This guy's not funny. Like, I don't know who told him that he's funny. Like, he's not funny. I'm a comedian. I'm a comedian, Zala, in South Africa. They're not funny, man. Ever since Basatela or Trevor Noah, like, I don't find anyone else funny. Like, you're not funny. Stop.
When a good thing goes bad, it's not the end.
I love laughing, so I would know if you're funny. One girl, and she's the reason it happened, but he's overreacting, and it's all because he don't want things to change. So cry if you
Need to, but I can't stay to watch you. That's the wrong thing to do. Touch if you need.
kuba nimele ngimbhlokhe ningakhohlwa ukungitshela phela ukuthi ngibhlokhe abantu phela mekhona osho lela gama lele eli-forbidden.
Talk if you need to, but I can't stay to hear you. That's the wrong thing to do. Cause you say you love me.
Uthi ngifunda ama-ingredients
You're lying. Say I love you too.
ukubona into ibe mnandi uzofuna ukuthi yini le ufuna ukufunda ama-ingredients angathi bakakubhalela iparagraph yonke la ukuthi ufaka lokhu ufake lokhu ukhiphe lapho ufake lapho kuphume sekuyile nto ekuyona, but I can do it.
But I need some.
My toxic traits ingenza ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi that I can do anything. That time I can't. Cindy. What's Nangana? We live in a generation of not being in love, but not being together. But we always feel like we're together, 'cause we're scared to see each other with somebody else.
So cry if you need to, but I can't
This song is dope. This song, I can relate to this song. That's why I love this song. I play it in my car 24/7. Like, I always start with this song because I can relate to it.
talk if you need to, but I can't stay here.
Think about it. Oh, think about it. Thank you.
But I need someone different, you know.
I'm supposed to be cooking. At least when you're supposed to be cooking, I'm supposed to be studying, but I'm here watching your live. I'm like, hey, wait now, so paper like uzobusushes. Yes, kube ngafunda ngangibhizi moya engcwele ngenelela baba. Question 6 ngibambe ngechokisileyo. Lapha ngikho mina ngibhizi la ngiyakhala ngenza ini. Priorities, baby, priorities. I'm so tired. I'm so bored. Like ngiyafuna ukwenza ama TikToks, but I'm bored. I don't know what to do. And sebe dansa kakhulu ku TikTok manje. Dansa kakhulu nini. Listen. Nine, quink, 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 quink. Ah. Okay, so it's too loud now. It wasn't close like hi. I want to. This song used to be the best. Is it the one? I think it is.
Rewards that you can count on. Join Audacious Rewards now.
I'm not working tonight. I'm not. They hurt you. I'm not hurt. That's the thing. I was hurt a month ago. I'm not hurt anymore. Say thanks. She looked like a star, but only on camera. Anna. Who hurt you, babe? Nobody. What the fuck? Are you single? I'm single.
Word on the road is the click about the blow. You ain't gotta run it.
Single.
They already know. We've been living on a high. They've been talking on the low, but it's cool. Know you heard it all before. That's why I asked you how you make.
Don't you worry about it.
That's why I asked you how you make. Don't you know about the team? Hey, yeah. How you make, what you know about the team? Man, these niggas need to stop it. They be crowding up the scene. Baby girl, you need to stop it. All that pride and self-esteem. Got you angry about this girl I'm with in all the magazines. Baby, she look like a star, but only on camera. Only on camera. Only on camera. Look like we're in love, but only on camera. Only on camera. Only on camera. Don't listen to the lies.
Single.
But they all lies. You know I could be a knight shining on rock ties. Trying to tell you I'm the one. Come and holler at me. For I'm on the next thing. YMCMB.
now. Who's this? Guys, who's this person? Any comment again?
You get told, girl, I see behind the scene. She spilled whiskey on the shirt. She gon' have to get it clean. She been going way too hard. Someone has to intervene, baby.
She look like a star, but only on camera. Only on camera.